focal distances. It is distances, means two distances. Okay. So in this figure, focal distances are S1p and S2p. These are the two focal distances. So now what I am going to show, I am just going to show that the sum of the focal distances of a point on an ellipse, that is point P I have mentioned here. Okay. So the sum of the focal distances of a point P on an ellipse is equal to the length of the major axis, is equal to constant. Okay. So this I am going to show, and I am just going to give you what focal distance is. Okay. So now according to the figure, let a point P x comma y, I already showed you, this point be any point on the given ellipse. First thing, then let S1 and S2 be two foci, and LM and L dash M dash be two directrix. Okay. Now join S1p and S2p. I have joined S1p with a bold line and another S2p with a dotted line, just to make a difference. Okay. So join S1, S1p and S2p. Now draw, we have to draw from point P on the directrix a perpendicular. Draw PT1 perpendicular on LM, PT2 perpendicular on L dash M dash, and PR perpendicular on ZZ1. We have drawn three different things. First of all, PT1 perpendicular on LM, draw PT1 perpendicular on one directrix, PT2 perpendicular second directrix, and PR, this point is PR, draw a perpendicular on the x-axis. Is it clear? Now by definition what we are having now, by definition, distance of S1p is equal to E times distance of PT1. Is it clear? Now this is equal to what? Now PT1 and RZ1 are one and the same thing. So I am just writing this is equal to RZ1, and this can be written as now E times RZ1. Now can we write it CZ1 minus CR? Just check it. RZ1 from R to Z1. Now can I write it CZ1? Means from C to Z1 and subtracting C to R. C to R. Okay. So this further becomes E with A upon E minus X. Now CZ1 is equal to A upon E and CR is equal to X. Is it clear? C is the center, is the origin, we can say it. So point is X and Y, so CR is X and RP is Y. And we have already done it. that CZ1 from C to the distance of the directrix, that is A upon E. Now to this, what we can write it further? S1P is equal to, just solving this part, A minus EX. Let this be 1. Now S2P S2 to P is equal to E times PT2. Again by definition, to this what we can write it? E times, now PT2 means what? ZR. PT2 and ZR one and the same thing, or further this can be written as E CZ plus CR ZR ZC and CR. Okay, again this is E A upon E plus X. CZ is equal to A upon E. Okay, we are just taking as a distance, that's why we are not writing it negative or a positive. Okay, so now this becomes what? S2P is equal to A plus EX. Second, so we are having these two things. Now adding 1 and 2, we got S1P plus S2P is equal to 2A. A minus EX and A plus EX. Okay, so A plus A 2A and negative of EX, positive EX cancels. So what it is? What this is now? What this becomes? What I told you. What I told you right in the beginning, that the sum of the focal distances of any point P lying on an ellipse is equal to a constant term or is equal to length of the major axis. So 2A is what basically? 2A is the length of the major axis from A to A dash. Is it clear? Now last thing, the focal distance is okay of any point P x comma y on the ellipse are A plus minus EX. Is it clear? So we have got with this thing also. Okay, one thing and second thing, this we have proved.